social cause which is being carried out by Prabhu. And GoPals also means Gopals. It is none other than Krishna's name. Okay? So I request Prabhu to say a few words about his organization and how as parents, as good citizens, responsible citizens, how we can make this journey very fruitful to all of us. Over to you, Prabhu.
Thanks for the introduction. First of all, I would like to thank Sujata ma'am and Sundar ma'am for this opportunity. My son studied in this very school which I am standing now. 10 years before, what has awakened me was working towards the cause of cows actually. Along with few of my friends, we are IT professionals. I was working in EMC Square. We went to the Goshala, cleaned the Shala. We started off our things like that. Now our organization has expanded across Bangalore, Mysore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Very simple. Practical first, theory next. First to go to the Goshala, we will clean the Shala, then we will teach the volunteers how to make Go products. The whole thing, 10 years have passed. Today, you are sitting on this because you are blessed by Krishna. Please give a big hand to yourself. You are sitting in this Basil Woods School campus because it is a Krishna blessings. Because how many of you have gone to Gopalan Mall? It is very difficult to become a Gopalan and come over here. That is the blessings in the previous birth you have got. Not to waste your time, we have also taken products from the farmers. This is the tooth powder. Tooth powder made from farmers in Kalburgi, not from any Goshala or something, to support them. This tooth powder, if you take, it will really cure your things. Going to the dentist, you can smell it as well. There are two different types of people presently available. Dental, mental. Both the people are now more popular because the dentists are more popular. You can avoid it. If you wanted to make it on your own also, you can visit our website vgopals.com. Where do it yourself is also there. How to make tooth powder at home. The next one is Vibhuti. If you are a Shaivite, you can apply it on the forehead. If you are a Vaishnavite, you can consume it in the water because it purifies the water and it gives the required molecules and it will change the whole content of the water. Scientifically proven. This is Dhoop Singh. As per Shastras, we do not use agarbatti. Agarbatti burning, that is containing bamboo stick. If you burn it, it is a sin. You can read anywhere, any of the Puranas, they Shastras has banned agarbattis. We are using it at our home. Rather, cow dung based Dhoop Singh we have introduced. This is coming from farmers in Gulbarga again. And this is the Panchakavya soap. All these are made from native cows. The last one I wanted to introduce is two beautiful books. Udupi Pejavar Swamiji has introduced this Go Katha Amritam, which contains 41 stories from Bhagavatam Puranam with references. You can quote as well. Another one is Bala Gokatha Amritam. You can open it. So if you see this, very beautiful AI-generated images for each cow, and science behind every cow and its virgin, and here you can see different cow breeds. I will request all of you to visit our stall. All the contributions goes for Godanam, and you can also monthly subscribe to the Godanam, which will go to the farmers' place. With a lot of love, I would request you to think about one particular thing. How many of you have visited 108 Divya Desams? Anybody in the crowd? Can you tell how it is categorized? Which part is that? Do you remember? I will tell you one easy way to remember that. If you know, you can tell. How many of the Divya Desams are there in Pandya Nadu? How many of the Divya Desams are there in Chola Nadu? How many of the Divya Desams are there in Chera Nadu? And how many Divya Desams are there beyond Chola, Chera, Pandya kingdoms? Anyone can tell? One gift will be free for you. Guess of numbers. See how our ancestors are classified. I wanted to tell. Everything is a science here. It's a mathematical calculation. We should all read why cow is important, why Panchagavya is important in our life. If you don't know the answer, at least attempt it. Any numbers? Total, how many Divya Desams are there? Anybody? 108. How that calculation came into picture? Even this, our ancestors have put a book. Nallaperumal Iyengar. The name of the person who has written the book is called Nallaperumal Iyengar. He has written a book called Divya Desam Antadi. So I will request all of you to read it. I will tell you the answers because you are hungry. Okay. So 20 into 2. 40 are there in Chola Desam. Okay. And 9 into 2. 18 are there in Pandya Kingdom. So 40 plus 18 is 58. 13 are there in Cheranadu, that is 71. Between north and south, 2 are there. 71 plus 2 is 73. And 22 are there in Tondainadu, that is Chennai to Kanchipuram. Velur, 22. 93 plus 22 is, 73 plus 22 is 95. From there till the north, 12 are there, that is 107. Including Tirupparkadal. And the last one is Vaikundam. That's a good answer. So this is how 108 is there. Everything is a science, everything is a max. Cows are also science. It is not simply they say that take the cow dung and cow urine. Not only milk, we should focus on cow. All the Divya Desams should have milk from cows only. We have restored we are very happy to inform you on this day that Srirangam Ranganathan, we have restored native cow milk. Every day Ranganathan, the native cow milk is going. Badrinath, Kedarnath, it is ghee lamp we are doing now. And in Tiruchendur Murugan temple recently, the Vibhuti during the Kumbhabhishekam was given by us. So this is the smallest one. If how beautiful the world can be, if all of us take the responsibility and are accountable, let us all volunteer for preserving the native cows. Go Seva Paramo Dharmaha. Namaste, Dhanyavad.